Okay, so I wanted to share with you a few of my favorite bushcraft tools. This is my bushcraft kit for 2022. Now there's a rainstorm coming and I apologize for the audio if it sounds a little windy, because it is. This tool bag is pretty awesome. I got it from Amazon and it is like this really nice, I don't know if it's duck cloth or canvas. It's got all these compartments in it, which I absolutely love. Keeps things organized. You can hang it by these D-rings here off of like a tree or whatever. So first thing that fell out right away is my GLOCK e-tool. I love this e-tool. Very, very lightweight, but it's incredibly capable. So you can set it to, you know, 90 straight on, and then it unscrews and tightens in backwards to create the full-length e-tool. And as a bonus is this saw. You can attach it here and thread this back onto it, and it will hold it in there. I do like the wooden handled e-tools better, but they are heavier, and I do a lot of backpacking, so I like to keep it light. Next up on the list that's not in the bag that I carry sheathed in my pack is my tomahawk. So I've had this specific tomahawk for most of my life. I do like how lightweight it is, and in the springtime here in Wisconsin, we still need to split down wood at night because it gets cold, so that's why I have a tomahawk. So now for pocket number one, I have a WEYLAND Scotch-eyed auger. So this is a really nice tool. I've had a couple of these in the past. Just picked this one up. This is kind of nice. It's got 4 flutes on it. And it's got, you know, obviously the little auger screw there that pulls it into the wood, and you can put a handle through here, hardwood handle, you know, just find something out here in the woods, carve it down until it fits in there, and that allows you to bore holes and make furniture, pegs, whatever you want. Also has this chamfered bit here that's sharpened down. Drive this onto a stick to make it a peg of that diameter. Pretty cool. Next up, in pocket number 3, I've got my knives, and this changes out from season to season, but right now I've got MORAKNIVs. I'm rocking the Eldris, which is very, very nice little knife for whittling, carving, and I've got just a companion, just the cheap companion. I love it. I've been using the heck out of this knife, and it works great. In the next pouch, I've got a saw, and I know a lot of bushcrafters love silky saws, silky Gone Boy, all those. They're great. I love them. I've used them. Right now, I'm just using this FISKARS saw. I got this at like Home Depot. Okay, it's cheap. It came with like a pruning kit, so yeah, it's a landscaping saw. I guess this is name brand, but you don't always have to go with, like, you know, the silky saws. You can experiment with something else. I've used this a ton, and I find it to be very capable, and it's very light. Also in this pocket, I have a LEATHERMAN Free P2, which is an awesome e-tool, multi-tool, that's the word. So yeah, love this thing. Man, this smoke is killing me from the fire. I think I should have set my camera up in a different spot. Storm's coming, I gotta get going. In this other pocket, I've got cordage. I've got 3 different types of cordage with me. I've got this micro cord, got some jute twine, which is great for fire starting or just for natural lashings that you can cut apart and burn in the fire. And then I've got some bank line, number 35 black bank line. This stuff is amazing for ridge lines and guy lines, and it doesn't really stretch. So very, very tough, hard wearing. Love bank line. That's always gonna be a part of my kit. Bouncing back to this first pocket here, I've got some stones, some whetstones. These are made by Dan's Whetstone Company, hard Arkansas stone and a soft Arkansas stone. Love to have these with me so I can touch up my blades while I'm out. That is my bushcraft kit. It's small, it's simple, but it has a lot in it. It's very comprehensive, and I can get a lot of stuff done. So hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you later.